Viewers and subscribers, Dancer Critics there with know once again enough people know the thing go down. Yeah, Dancer Critics there. And today I come to talk about Alkaline new bad song. Right now Alkaline I make him enemies them know. When I say enemies, me I talk about the cartel them. You saw me I say the whole I6. You saw me I say and just about anybody will oppose or have been a rival with Alkaline. Can I tell you something? Right now the man I make them know say yo, me then not play thing with no boy. A straight murder. But people, if it's the first time tuning in, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon. That way they get instant notification each time I put out a new content, viewers, subscribers. Hey, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm particularly excited about that one. You saw me as a people, but watch I know. Check out that snippet of viewers, subscribers.
Come never take time. Running out yard and go bust a head fast. Do a kind murder, push it kind further. Yeah, we love killing, I will love you extra.
If you are subscribers from that snippet there, you know say a straight murder the man depend. But you see in particular though people, me like how the man even start out the intro. The man say them boy they know what good for them. Them boy they dead in a dog. You saw me I say me I go walk over there and put beer shot in them head. You saw me I say tear up them face. You saw me I say people me did have a comment on that because Alkaline basically initiated the song by setting a particular tone in the song. You saw me as a people, and even by basically listening out the rest of the song, we know say Alkaline is a rotted lyrical genius. You understand me as a people? Alkaline make it be known say yo dog. The way him start out the song, the man say yo him run up in an enemy yard and go bust him head fast. You saw me I say, then him say total murder. Seeing him a run up the crime rate. You saw me I say people, at that the man say me love killing and me love extort. You saw me I say, them thing that epitomize badness, viewer subscribers. R is an identifier. You saw me I say, of course, the name badness. You saw me I say people, and at that Alkaline I do, that one is strictly for bad man them, the murderer them, the bossed them. You saw me I say, the man I make you know say dog, me I step out to the boy them, I crab up. You saw me I say, me not gonna make the boy them feel like say them have no one up on me or none of them kind of thing, the viewer subscribers. You understand me I deal people? And that the man I say, you know. You saw me I deal, not to mention how cunning the man put the lyrics. You saw me I say, our own craft up the thing. You saw me I say, people, also, this also goes to show, say, yo, Alkaline and make it be clear, say, yo, me no care if all you have your gun, brother. You saw me I say, not because you have a one gun in your hand, AK will tear your chin, make you not chin. You saw me I say, so all if you have gone, nobody feel like me I go back. You saw me I deal with people, so enough things we can pick out from you. So Alkaline a step with bravery. Seeing Alkaline a step with courage. A do or die in a situation, and in fact, I'm more confidence over my enemy. You know, say man I make it be clear, say dog. Even if my enemy have a one gun, it no mean nothing to me. Cause me I go tear him up and me I bust him head fast. And I tell you what the man mentioned murder. Corroborate what me I say as far as how the man a step with bravery, crab up. You saw me I say, no art, cool. The man say, we step to your boy. The man say, him step to, let's say for example, him step to Papi or him step to Cartel. See, and one of them man they have the woman. The man bust out the girl face too and I go for him too. So the man I make you know say dog, me think that on a crab up level, me think nah no kind of mercy. You saw me I say, and a leniency and them thing them. Me know depend that dog. Me think dark and evil. And madness me depend, not even just badness. A straight madness. All your girl get it too. I want Alkaline make it clear. Say, see, once me bust the boy girl head, see, cause him girl moves like say she want step to me and she come in at the way or she just dead. She dead. Then me step to him dog. The man say, yo, shut up, bore him like a strainer. So if you think about it, you know, viewer subscribers, Alkaline now make you know say, yo, me I just come bust the boy, just put a one shot in my head, you know. The man I make you know say, yo, me I give him a barrage a shot. Me I turn on a machine gun upon him. So that when you're looking at him, or look upon him, or look upon the body or the corpse, you're going to know, say, yo, you're going to make it will be very clear to you. Say, yo, this man is dead and a be a hole in him. You saw me I say? The man say, I could have do or die. You saw me I say, no matter what happen, you're dead. And that the man I make you know. No. The man basically I make you know, say, dog, me I come with blood in my eye for them boy. And nothing now go stop me from murdering them boy. And you see man I make you know, remember you know people, me make it be clear already, you know. So the man I step with bravery, you know. You saw me I say? And when I say step with bravery in the sense say, the man go for him enemy in him yard. So I make you know say your dog all na phone territory me will come phone, me no play with people. And that the man I make you know say basically Alkaline I make it be clear say yo my badness more ruthless, my badness more gruesome. You saw me I say my badness more treacherous. You saw me I say my badness now no heart tonight. You saw me I say my badness now no preference. In fact, me no business at who as long as them connected to you as my enemy or as my foe, them will get it too. You saw me I say, cause me nah left no kind of loose any no. Me no want slap you and then me go left your girl and she end up go plot and build team and come shoot me up. When me nah look. And me no want come company ends and go so boom and see all two little youth and them thing there and them affiliated or connected to you and me left them. Dog, everything are dead. And that the man said total. Then the man went even further for add say, yo, dog, look how the boy that go on tough. And him did a go on hype. And him a kick up himself and a go on with one bag of something. And like me did say before, him have a look at one gun. And now me a look on the Maragram. Fly out, pitch out, tear up, all kind of something when it look good. You saw me say people, more have to drop your comment below and tell me what you think about the review here, you know, people. You understand me I say? Because I tell you say, yo, energy in that thing, you think up, man. Me not lie, because me can see the you know what I say, me can see the imagery. Me can see the mental picture where Alkaline paint in the song. You saw me I say, and ultimately, I get the understanding of way I try communicate. The man I incite fear in him enemy them. Because a long time Alkaline are basically, you know, I say portray himself in the most baddest light. Or I basically create himself as the figure there as the real bad man in a dancer. And me no partial boy. Me no play people. Alkaline also make a little mentioning in a one part to say, yo, you know me I say a real yard badness we I bring to them. Does that mean say Alkaline they abroad and I bring, you know me I say, and I bring on a yard badman style to him enemies them offering? Could that be the case? Tell me what you think, viewer, subscribers. People, to some degree, to add insult to injury, the man basically make it be clear how, you know me I say, how deadly and feared he is. See, to the point where the moment he assert or a step towards the enemy for bust them head, a man's soul run out of him body and get up and gone. And even at that point, Alkaline never have no mercy for the dead. The man still turn the machine over there upon them and tear them up. And bust up the whole of them head. People, that sound like a group killing, you know. You saw me I say? That sound like a whole heap of different factions get touched up, you know. You know what I say? Tell me what you think in the comment section, viewer, subscribers. It's intriguing. That part is bad in my opinion. You saw me I say people. Remember, you know, Alkaline always telling you say when him do things in him no left, not trace or nothing, you know. Because man, me even mention another song when him talk about the killer them or burn up all body, you know. Where you eradicate everything and you can't find nothing to go after. Essentially. You saw me I say? I also insinuate how deadly and how ruthless them is. You saw me I say people, I want to tell me what you think, how effective this is. You saw me I say you think somebody I go hear that song as far as the enemy them. See, I go hear that song and try to subliminally chew a word and chew a jab over Alkaline side. You saw me I say people, because this, even though it not have nobody name necessarily a call in it, we know Alkaline have a bag of enemy in a dance hall. You saw me I say, now the question is who the cap I go fit and who I go wear it. You saw me I say people, drop your comment below in the comment section and tell me what you think. And Alkaline mentioned a part in a song when him say, yo, boy start piss up himself. And the man say, boy, what do you better you calm, man. You saw me I say, you go learn today. If you know this a icon. People, when me tell you, say yo, creativity at its best. You saw me I say, lyrical ability up there. 100. You saw me I say, people, the man think they're on another level. I'm wanting to check out that. But even before me get to another part of my discussion, viewer, subscriber, I have to even expound back on that sitting here again. The man say, when he run up on the boy basically start piss up himself. And I say, hey boy, calm yourself, man. Because today you are going to learn. If you know this icon. You saw me I say? So right there's Alkaline, you don't know where Alkaline put himself right there, so. Alkaline declare himself as the man. One lad. You notice what him saying at the beginning of the song? You saw me I say, people? I'm not going to lie to you. Alkaline is on another level with the music. You see me I say? In my opinion, and honestly, I would just hate the man, play out, now go respect his music. And now go see the creativity in his craft. You see me I say, people, I'm not lie to you, this bad to me. I mean, people, one of the other part that I love now when the man say, yo, saying, him never know Gilbert, but him know Ivan. And then the man say, you know, matter of fact, I don't know comparison. Seeing? Because them kind of machine what we are forward with. I blow ice storm. You saw me I say people, me tell you something. When you talk about play on the words, see, when you talk about creativity and smarts and intellect, you saw me I deal with people, I have to give it to Alkaline. I have to give it to Alkaline. I'm not say just Alkaline, you know, but in a disregard, I me talk about right now. See, and again, other people out there will have them intellect and thing, you know. But you see the way your Alkaline doing thing, people, it's commendable. People, please remember to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon. A Dancehall Critics review that. Tell me what you think. I'm out.